Atlassian didn't really introduce anything mind-blowing at Team 25 with respect to Jira, but they did make one announcement that I think was worth announcing. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel, drop a like if you get value out of this video, and let's talk about that one announcement. So during the Team 25 conference, Atlassian introduced a few things with respect to Jira, but all those things have already been out for like the last 6 months. So I don't even know why they spent time talking about it. But the one thing that they did mention was custom project templates. And this to me was interesting because project templates are not new in Jira, but they don't work intuitively. You kind of have to go and create a new Jira project, and then you set up all the settings correctly. And once you do all of that, then when you make a new project, you have to know to go select that original project, and that serves as your template. But I think Atlassian, as they're trying to make team managed projects better, they're introducing this custom project templates, which my belief is that it's designed for you to create a team managed project that is in the ideal configuration that you want, and then be able to leverage that team managed project to basically build future projects from that. And before we get to that, let me tell you about Aspire Live. Jira shouldn't have to be this hard, and we have an entire team that is ready to help you out with all of your Jira problems. So check out the link down in the description, fill out this information, and let one of our experts reach out to you and help you out on this journey. And now back to the video. And Atlassian didn't really announce this. They didn't state this publicly. That's my interpretation of what I saw, because when I asked Mike, why do team management projects exist? He was telling me how he's been basically trying to make team management projects better, right? He's saying that there's a right way and a wrong way of doing this. They're still in an uphill battle, and they've been trying to make the experience of using team managed projects to be a gentle slope where it just makes sense, right? Because using Jira as a company managed project is hard. You really need to know how to use Jira. And he even made a joke of like, once you figure out all the issue type screen schemes and issue type schemes and screens and all that, all the other schemes, like you feel like Neo in the Matrix, that you just figured it all out. But with this project template here, it almost feels like Atlassian wants you to be able to define a project template that you can then, when you go to hit the create project button, is available on the UI. And that, my friends, would be pretty cool, because if you can go and define the ideal HR template, the ideal engineering template, the ideal design template, and now all your teams in the future can just leverage and connect to those templates, that's going to make the experience a lot better. But again, I'm speculating. I don't really know. This is how I think Atlassian is going to do it, but let me know in the comment section, what do you think? How do you interpret custom project templates? Because like I said at the beginning, we already have project templates. They're just not really intuitive. So I'm not sure what Atlassian's intent here is, but I would suspect that it's going to be heavily influenced towards team managed projects. But let me know what you think down in the comment section. And while you're down there, make sure you smash that like button and make sure you click on that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.